National Hardware is the place you find lost treasures, things that don't exist anymore. And the best thing to do is just ask the people at the counter, do you have this or that? In years past, you'd say, do you have ceramic insulator, for electric knob and tube wiring? And they'd say, yeah, go down the aisle over here, go down to the bottom rack, move this bag there behind there. And sure enough, they'd be there. Now, of course, it's a lot cleaner. But yeah, if you have something, particularly in the houses of construction of the era in North Fresno, good chance they got your replacement part here. And it's always been the case, and as long as hopefully as long as I'm around, it'll still be the case. What's most important about places like this is the dedication to community. Knowledge that people have acquired over the years that applies directly to the people in the neighborhood, and their ability to give you honest information that otherwise someone who's just trying to make a sale may miss, ignore, or just not even know. Quite frankly, sometimes I'll just come in here just to visit, even when it's something I know I could get in a more convenient location. I'll just come to visit, make sure everything's going well, and say hi to everybody.